gophers really wiped them out last year. But I had seeds that I knew had gone down, so I was hoping that they would actually bloom this year, but they didn't. But I've got nasturtiums. That's this little lily pad guy in the middle here.
Yeah, those are tasty.
Yes, they are actually. And zinnias. My zinnias did real well this year.
Beauty.
And let's see. The pink ones over here are globe amaranth, and the white ones are too. And then this is all just a mishmash of other things that came up. A lot of this was volunteer, and I just controlled what I allowed to grow.
I wondered what those kind of flowers were.
Yeah, they're cool. If you're into Bath, it's Fibonacci. You've got the Fibonacci series. See the spiral in the center?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's way cool. And of course the mums.
Like cabbages.
Yes, the mums. And the yellow one down at the end has already bloomed. That bloomed like a month and a half ago. So it's done blooming. But these guys are, and the stupid thing is the yellow one down at the end is from the same plant as that. I split the plant because it was too crowded. And I moved these, and I had to box them. These are in boxes made out of hardware cloth to keep them from getting the roots eaten off. And the gophers had mowed the place during the night and just eaten all the roots off of everything and buried everything. And I was like, huh. So I bought a little package of seeds this year, and because I'm trying to get this to the point where it's all perennials that will come back. You know, like this. These are actually a perennial. They're a wild perennial. And a plant grew up unannounced, uninvited, and survived all summer and bloomed all summer in between the rocks. And I said, anything that could produce cute little flowers like that all summer, just living under a rock in my patio, deserves. So when the plant died, I took the seeds and I sucked the seeds over here. And there were a couple of times when one showed up someplace where I couldn't leave it, I transplanted them over here. So we have the echinacea here and here that I put in this summer. That's a weed. But then these little guys, there's another echinacea here. This is tickweed, which is coreopsis. Semi-wild creatures in here. But these guys bloom all summer. And they have this cute little daisy-like, and what's cool is the flowers actually change color. You can see there's some of them are pink, and some of them are white. And over time they go from white to pink.
Shield bugs?
Pardon?
Is that another shield bug?
Oh, probably. Oh yeah, yeah it is. They're everywhere this year. And see, when you touch the plant, it'll drop down. That's why you have to come in underneath. But it's really hard to get them.
Okay.
But I have killed it. Yes. Herbaceous thing.
I'm on this 11 feet, but because of that, I've grown to dislike lavender.
Yeah, sometimes people get carried away. Because we had such a hot summer, everything sort of stalled for about a month and a half, 2 months, because it was up over 100, way too much.
Okay.
And this is some of our bird seed. I've been harvesting the seeds off of it. And it's sage.
Yeah, it's nice and healthy looking.
Yeah, that's an old plant. And then, of course, we do have lavender.
Yeah.
And I harvest that by the bucket. That's the yellow beans. I'm going to have to put something up because the critters keep running through everything and breaking the leaves off. But I planted that relatively recently and it's doing really well. It's got irrigation, so.
They are looking happy.
But yeah. A friend posted on Facebook, anybody want iris? And I pinged her right away and said, I'll take them.
And now Jack is busy sleeping.
It's a hard job. Somebody's got to do it.